Let's play Hark, the Herald Angels Sing. Now let's check out the playing pattern for this song. The playing pattern for a full bar is gonna be a both right, right, right. For a half bar, it's gonna be a both right. Now we're gonna play verse 1 slowly and we G chord go. Hark, the herald. How about G? Angels. How about D? Sing. How about G? Glory. To. How about C? To the. How about D? Newborn. How about G? King. One about G? Peace on earth. And how about E minor? Mercy. How about A? Mount. One about D? God and sinners. How about A? Reckon. How about D? Sound. One about G? Joyful all. Yeah. How about C? Nations. How about D? Rise. One about G? Join the triumph. How about C? Of the. How about D? Skies. One about C? With angelic. One about A minor? Hosts proclaim. How about D? Christ is. How about G? Born in. How about D? Battler. How about G? Ham. One about C? Hark, the herald. One about A minor? Angels sing. How about D? Glory. How about G? To the. How about D? Newborn. How about G? King. Let's play verse 1 smoothly and we go. G. How about coming up? How about G? How about D? How about G? How about C? How about D? How about G? And G. How about E minor? How about A? And D? How about A? How about D? Let's go. G. How about C? How about D? G again. How about C? How about D? Back to C and A minor. How about coming out? How about D? How about G? How about D? How about G? And C, A minor. How about coming out? How about D? How about G? How about D? How about G? Hey there, loving this tutorial? Then you've got to check out my Christmas song ebook. It's packed with 32 holiday tunes, complete with chords, chord charts, song lyrics, and playing patterns to make your life easy. Download instantly so you can bring it to your parties, jam with your friends, or just add some Christmas vibes to your home. Grab your copy now in the description link below. Let's play verse 2 slowly. G chord go. Christ by heaven. How about G? Heaven. How about D? Adore. How about G? Christ D. How about C? Ever. How about D? Lasting. How about G? Lord. One about G? Late in time. B. How about E minor? Hold him. How about A? Come. One about D? Offspring of the. How about A? Virgins. How about D? Womb. One about G? Veil in flesh. The. How about C? Godhead. How about D? C. One about G? Heal the incarnate. How about C? Dire. How about D? T. One about C? Please as man with. One about A minor? Man to dwell. How about D? Jesus. How about G? Our Im. How about D? Manu. How about G? Well. One about C? Hark, the herald. One about A minor? Angels sing. How about D? Glory. How about G? To the. How about D? Newborn. How about G? King. Now let's play verse 2 smoothly. Ready, go. G. How about G? How about D? How about G? How about C? How about D? How about G? Again. G. How about E minor? How about A? And D? How about A? How about D? Let's go. G. How about C? How about D? Back to G. How about C? How about D? And C. Down to A minor. How about D? How about G? How about D? How about G? Last line C. A minor. How about D? How about G? How about D? How about G? Now let's play the full song smoothly and we go. G. How about G? How about D? How about G? How about C? How about D? How about G? Second line and G. How about E minor? How about A? And D? How about A? How about D? Back to G. How about C? How about D? Back to G. How about C? How about D? And C. A minor. How about D? How about G? How about D? How about G? And C. A minor. How about D? How about G? How about D? How about G? Verse 2. G. How about G? How about D? How about G? How about C? How about D? How about G? Back to G again. How about E minor? How about A? Go to D. How about A? How about D? And G. How about C? How about D? Back to G. How about C? How about D? And C. A minor. How about D? How about G? How about D? How about G? Last line C and A minor. How about D? How about G? How about D? How about G? And on G. Hey there, thanks for watching and I hope you find this video helpful. I've got more piano techniques, music theory and tutorials coming your way, so stay tuned. If you think this channel is helping you reignite your passion for piano playing, do like and subscribe and I will see you in the next video.